Well, hello, everybody. It is time for another mom box. I'm excited. So, for those of you who do not know, if you're new around here, my mom lives in the Midwest. I live in Arizona, and my mom does some sewing for me for my shop, and she also is the garage sale and thrift shop queen, and she constantly looks for fun things for me um, for our junk journaling uh, obsession. So, and then she sends me these fun boxes. So, this is what we're looking at today. This is super cool. Ukulele songs and duets. How fun is that? Very cool. I love the patina on that as well. Do we have a date on this? No, I don't see one. Oh, 1923. There we go. Awesome. Musical saw. Just in case you want to learn to play the saw. That's hilarious. Another ukulele book. That's adorable. So cute. All right. We got some. What is this? Like a ginormous postcard? It is. That's exactly what it is. Giant postcard. Fun. Wonder if you could bend those in half and make. Oh, this is Lake Superior, Grand Marais, Minnesota. If you could bend them in half and make um, journal pages out of them, I think these are all Lake Superior, honestly. Well, I know this one is. This is Split Rock Lighthouse. My husband grew up very close to there, so that's cool. Northern Minnesota, Rainy Lake. My old state. Festive Foods, Milwaukee Gaslight Company. How fun. I don't see a date, but it's got to be late 50s, early 60s, probably. Cute. New favorite honey recipes. That's adorable. I have to look at that. I buy local honey, so I use it a lot in my cooking. Wow, look at all these postcards, you guys. Awesome. So she was given a bunch of postcards, and there's more than this, but she was looking for. She goes, "What should I put in that space in the box?" And I said, "Well, put postcards in there." So yeah, we have a lot of postcards. I'm probably gonna list some of these in packets on Etsy because I will never in my lifetime use this many postcards. But I know some of y'all out there do, um, like post crossing and stuff. So, oh my gosh, there's so many, you guys. Special Zillow listing. That's hilarious. We follow on Facebook, there's a group, Nightmare on Zillow Street. So we follow that. And so that's probably what she's referring to there. More postcards. This is a ton of postcards. Holy moly, Rocky. All right. So these are Mom's snippet rolls. These will be back in stock. I am excited about that. She's got some of these. This is another thing I told her she could send more of. These are the cases that I put itty bitty ephemera kits in, which are also in stock in the shop. Um, she bought like this huge box of these at a church garage sale a couple years ago, I think. And yeah, we've just been filling them with itty bitty ephemera kits. I sell them for $5 in my Etsy shop, so it's a good deal. They're great for taking on the road if you're wanting to have art journaling on the road. So, Mom's snippet rolls. These are awesome. They're all unique, different. They're great for belly bands or pockets or um, tabs, or I mean, just endless possibilities. Not only that, I've had people suggesting that they would make really cool belts or wrist cuffs, and I agree, they would. So, yeah, she's got all kinds of different trims and buttons and stuff on them. Super fun. And this is all this reclaimed vintage fabric that she had gotten. I believe she got it from the same person she got the postcards from. So that's pretty cool. So we'll get those listed, and if you're interested, there's a link down in the description box that will take you to my Etsy shop. These ones, these ones are the white on white snippet rolls. They'll be a little more expensive because she went into her antique white buttons for like 90% of the white snippet rolls. Aren't they gorgeous? Crazy gorgeous. Look at that. Why are you not focusing? Anyway, these are beautiful, Mom. Just beautiful. I can't wait to get them listed and share them with everybody. So we got 2, 4, 6 of those. And looks like we've got some hearts as well, her hanging door hearts. Again, white on white with the reclaimed fabrics, vintage linens and such. Oh, look at that sweet little key. So I will get those listed as well. But by the time you see this, they will already be listed. So, all right. What's this? That's cute. Look at that color. I love that color. That'll make a fun little journaling card, I think. Oh, a seed packet. How sweet. Oh, it was a, I don't know, it says scented with homemade sherbet, so maybe it was like a sachet or something, but it's really cute. Will be cute in a journal. All right. One of these, I just, these are from the inside of seam binding or that sort of thing, and I just make tags out of those because we like for things to not go to waste. Some wooden spools, which I'm going to put in my jar. I've got a nice little collection of those going. Look at this fun rusty button. That's awesome. Oh, cute little rubber stamp with a little dip pen. Some tea tags. Awesome. So she told me about finding these vintage games, and she asked if I needed the boxes for all of them. I said no. So we got some more flinch cards, which is great because I need to do more card packs. That's probably not going to get done today, but I am sold out of vintage card packs. So stay tuned for those. Ooh, look at these. Yummy. Man, I wish you could feel them. They're not slick, like they're not plasticky. That's so fun. Love that. Good find, Mom. And let's see what else. More of the flinch cards. That's cool. And ooh, linen finish. Lord Baltimore playing cards. Look at that. How fun. So yeah, I'm definitely going to work on playing card packs, and I will let you know on Instagram when I get those ready to roll. And then it looks like we've got more hearts and another spool. I love these ones that she puts this vintage measuring tape on. I just think they're so cute. So I'm going to go ahead, and I like to put a little something in the pockets. And once I do that, then I will get them listed. And that's, oh, the receipt for the shipping. All right. Well, thanks, Mom. This was awesome and fun. I hope everybody enjoyed watching. And if you're interested in buying any of Mom's goods, head on over to my Etsy shop. Links in the profile, or down below, I should say. So thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you next time.